Hi, my name is Lane. I work here in assembly at Vector Systems. Throughout the week, I started by putting the pumps on the skid to mark my holes for drilling. After I did that, I took the pumps off, drilled the holes, put the pump back on, and put all the hardware in for the final assembly on the pumps. Next, I moved on to one of our big vaporizer skids. First, I started by taking all of our 18-inch pipe off to our grating. After installing the valve supports, we put all the 18-inch piping back on. After that, I moved on to conduit. I ran a few lines of conduit for our panel shop to run the wires and electrical through. This week, I finished off at hydroing one of our big vaporizers. Once we have the vaporizer at hydro, we assemble all of the blind flanges and the gauges on the vaporizer. After that, we fill it up, pressure it up at 50 psi for an hour, let that test, disassemble and drain. Our systems are built the Vector way, proven, reliable, and ready for the field.